The TRADESAFE pin and sleeve socket lockout device is engineered for safety, giving workers a reliable way to control hazardous energy. Built from industrial-grade non-conductive polypropylene, this lockout device delivers both strength and electrical resistance. With a 1.5 inches body diameter and a 1 3/8 inches body length, it's precisely sized to fit many industrial sockets and provide reliable protection. Installation is simple. Lift the socket lid, place the lockout device over the receptacle, and secure it with a hasp and padlock. Once locked, it prevents unauthorized connections. The bold warning label, "Danger locked out, do not remove," ensure the hazard is immediately visible. Exceeding OSHA standards, this socket lockout device keeps pin and sleeve receptacles safely secured until work is complete. With durability, visibility, and compliance built in, the TRADESAFE pin and sleeve socket lockout device is the trusted choice for reliable electrical lockout protection.